Hey guys, welcome to Southern Ladies Recipes. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Yes, you see these delicious items that we have sitting out here on the countertop. We are making my famous red velvet brownies. When I tell you delicious, I mean fighting over these brownies is like when you're playing spades and somebody underbid, okay? These brownies are just that delicious. So we have our sugar. We have 4 eggs. We have a semi-sweet chocolate bar, butter, cream cheese, baking powder, vanilla, our red food coloring, excuse me, our all-purpose flour, and sea salt. So are you all ready to make these draw for Uno red velvet brownies? I definitely am. Come on, guys. Let's get ready to make some goody goodness. Okay, guys, we are melting 3/4 cup of butter. And we are going to use our whole packet of our semi-sweet chocolate, which is a 4 ounce. Okay, so we're going to use this whole 4 ounce. And we're just going to melt both of these together. Your oven should be, I have it on low heat, as you can tell. Your oven should be preheating, and you should have it set at 450, okay? So what we're going to do is just let you see how it's melting. We're just going to let this melt together, and we'll be back, guys. Okay, so our chocolate and our butter is nice and melted. Ooh, yummy. So now we have 2 cups of sugar. So we're just going to slowly put that in there. We're going to use our blender to mix it in. So what you're going to do is just do a little bit at a time. And when you finish, it's going to be a beautiful chocolatey, sugary, buttery mixture in your bowl. So let's get started. All right, so this is what your consistency should look like right now. So now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I hope everyone had a great day today. And you should have 1 full ounce of your red food coloring. Ooh, I hope y'all can see that because I can't see that. There we go. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? That's it. Okay. So we're going to use this whole bottle of red food color. So just pour it on up in there. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So now we're just going to blend this up. Okay. Now it's time to blend in our eggs. And as you can tell, we have 4 eggs. We are going to blend them one by one. So just pour one in at a time. Boop. And we're just going to blend it up just like that. All right, guys, we are almost done with the mixing part. So now I have 1.5 cups of flour. Let me move this out the way. 1.5 cups of flour. I have a pinch of salt, and I have 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder in my flour mix. So I just blended all 3 of those together. And so we're going to do just like we did earlier with the egg. We're just going to add a little bit at a time and blend it up. And we'll be back. All right, guys. So our mixture is complete. We have all of our ingredients in. I have a disposable baking pan that I got. Put some foil on the inside, and I sprayed the foil down with some Pam spray, non-cooking spray. So now we are going to add the mixture to the pan. And again, your oven should be preset at 350. I just got the bowl all in the way, don't I? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, I'm going to finish putting that in. So, you know, you just want to even it out. Ooh-wee. Yes. So now we're just going to throw this in the oven. And you know you're going to check it. You know, you got a toothpick. Stick it down in the middle and make sure it's done. I'll let you all know the duration of time once I finish baking mine when I come out the oven. And while this is in the oven cooking, we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. All right, it is icing time. So I have my whole block of cream cheese in our mixing bowl. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. Yes, I know I left out the powdered sugar earlier, but get you some powdered sugar, okay? This is the only way you can make cream cheese frosting. You have to have powdered sugar, butter, and some cream cheese. So I have some melted butter. We're not going to use all of this butter now, probably a good 2 tablespoons. So okay, so here we go. We're just going, so our cream cheese has been sitting out. It's room temperature, so it's nice and soft. And so you're just going to add some powdered sugar, and you're going to blend that in well. It's nice and smooth. And then you just gradually add your butter. So that's what you do. We'll be right back. So this is my cream cheese frosting. Isn't it beautiful? And it tastes doggone good too. Yes, it does. So this is how it should look, nice and whipped and smooth. I use my full 2 cups of powdered sugar, my full block of cream cheese, and I use I use 3 tablespoons of butter. So this is what we got. Now we're ready for the brownies. All right, so this is what our brownies look like. Ooh, they are super duper hot. So what I have them is on a cooling rack. So I just took the brownies out of the pan and I put them on a cooling rack so they can start to cool. And they taste delicious. You see that? Don't worry about the appearance of it now. Just wait till we bite into it. So, we're just going to let this cool. The brownies actually cook for a full 45 minutes. So, yes, and they're soft and gooey on the inside. I had just a little bit, a little piece, a little pinch. So we're just going to let them cool, probably about an hour or 2. And then we are going to add our cream cheese frosting. Okay, guys, we have my beautiful sous chef, and she's going to do tasty time today.
Hey, y'all.
So, as you can tell, the brownies are nice and moist. Y'all see that? They are so good. Okay, so it is tasty time.
Thank you.
How does it taste?
It's good.
Hi. Are you sure?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you, sous chef.
Okay.
So as you can tell, we have our red velvet brownies with cream cheese icing. We would like to thank you so much for coming to my page, your new favorite channel on YouTube, Southern Ladies Recipes. Thank you.